Ooh. Ooh.
Aiden, throw the ball back. Throw back to Nanny.
Well, now I'm trying to figure out this thing. What is that?
You gonna throw the ball to Nanny?
Throw me the ball. Here we go. He is a lefty, isn't he?
That was right.
That was right.
Yeah, he goes either way.
Are you ambidextrous? Are you avocado?
Aiden, can you say avocado?
Avocado.
Very good.
Boy.
There you go.
Woo!
See if you can hit the cat with it. I already got it.
Bet you can.
Throw it to me. Uh-oh. Oh, now it's gone. Now what do we do? Oh, here it is. Here it is. I found it. I found it. I found it. Did you find
Oh! Aiden. Toward the camera.